What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to install Google Voice Data for text to speech in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, click on text to speech output and then tap on preferred engine, and from here select the Google engine as your preferred engine. Now after selecting, go back and click on the settings icon with preferred engine, and from here tap on install voice data. Now here it will show you the list of languages. Now from here choose a language and then to install its voice data tap on this download icon. Now it will start downloading the voice data. Now the Google Voice data for this language is downloaded. Now you can choose any voice. So there are different types of voice. So that's how you can install Google Voice data for text to speech in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.